Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So today we are going to learn
Conversation question. English completion of small letter D. Phonic sound of small letter D. Number work, write numbers 21 to 30 in notebook. Rhyme teddy bear. Conversation question. What do you say when you want something? Children, what will you say when you want something? You will say, please give me. Repeat along with me. Please give me. Okay?
Hello children, welcome back. Take out your tiny talk book. We are going to complete the rest of the page of writing small letter D. This is the page and we have finished yesterday writing first 3 lines. Now we'll be writing the next 3 lines. How did I tell you? You have to first draw. Keep the pencil in the center lines in these 2 blue lines, and from there we are going to draw a left curve. And from there go up, draw a standing line, come down. See, we are not going to lift the pencil. Left curve, go up, come down. Small letter D. Left curve, standing line, come down. Left curve, draw a standing line, come down. Small letter D. See, teacher is not lifting the pencil. Small letter D. We are starting from blue line, left curve. We are going up till red line and then coming back again to the blue line. Small letter D. Small d. Yes, this is how we write small letter D. Children, you need to finish the rest 2 lines. Yes, and now I will show you the difference between small letter B and small letter D. Children, can you tell me what is this? It's small letter B, and here this is small letter D. So how do we write small letter B? We start from red line, we draw a standing line and we don't lift our pencil. We go up and we form a right curve. This is how we write small letter B. Standing line, go up, right curve in these 2 blue lines, small b. And now when it comes to small letter D, we start with writing left curve first. Left curve, go up, draw a standing line and come down. Left curve, go up till red line, draw a standing line, come down. This is how we write small letter B. So there won't be any confusion absolutely. Small letter B begins with standing line. Small letter D begins with left curve. Small letter B begins with a standing line. Small letter D begins with a left curve. Do remember this so that you won't get confused between small letter B and small letter D. Take care children. Thank you everyone. See you all in the next session. Till then, be happy. Stay.
Introduction of letter D. D, doll. Dolls are dancing. D is the sound of D. Repeat along with me. Dolls are dancing. D is the sound of D. Okay. Now let's see some objects related to letter D. D, duck. D, dolphin. D, dog. D, drum. D, dots. D, deer. Okay kids, now let's enjoy the rhyme.
let's learn about the letter D. This is a capital D. This is a lowercase d. You know how the D looks now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 D. D, 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 D. Yes! D is for dog. D is for dinner. D is for dinosaur. And D is for duck. D is for doctor. D is for dancing. You know some D words now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 D. D, 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 D. Your turn. D, 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 D. D.
Good morning, children. Children, today we'll practice writing numbers from 21 to 30 in notebook. On the top left side, write today's date. Write numbers from 21 to 30. 3 times, children, okay? Always say and write and touch the line. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. Leave 2 columns and write again from here. 21 till 30. Then leave 2 columns, write again from here. 3 times, children. Write 21 to 30 again. Thank you very much, children.
Thank you. See you again. Bye.